In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 multiplayer error. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over plenty of steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to multiplayer, campaign, or co-op for Black Ops 1 on PC. This is going to work if you are playing it through Steam. So usually, if you are having trouble connecting to multiplayer or the online service, this is either going to be attributed to you and problems on your end or problems on Activision's servers. So first, if you are able to, try talking to some friends. If they also try to connect and they also get the same error, it could indicate that the servers that Activision manages for Black Ops 1 are currently having outages and that they are down. So you will simply have to wait until Activision addresses the issue on their end. However, if you notice that only you are getting the issue and no one else is, then it could be attributed to problems on your PC. So what I would recommend instead is to open up Steam and find Call of Duty Black Ops 1. You will notice that I have the modern Call of Duty title selected. Unfortunately, I do not own Black Ops 1 on this account, but don't worry, you will still be able to follow this process here. Right-click Black Ops 1, go over to Properties, Installed Files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all of the files that were downloaded by the Steam launcher for Black Ops 1 on your PC, and if any of them were corrupted or missing, then they will be reacquired accordingly. It is a very fast process because it means that you will be able to fix any issues attributed to missing files without reinstalling the game. You can also try reinstalling if you wish, if you have fast internet. That is a consideration, and a fresh install can always help fix issues attributed to games. However, besides this, there isn't much that you can do. I would recommend restarting your PC and afterwards your router or modem, because it could help address connectivity issues. And if you are able to switch from a wired to a wireless connection or vice versa, it could also give you the cause of the issue. So always try to switch between those and verify the integrity of the game files. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.